A scenario. Someone has some nerve injury, functional nerve damage. And what has to happen is you have a small window of time, small time frame, in which to basically administer potentially a therapeutic agent that can basically help heal those nerves before functional deficits begin to occur, and irreparable harm is created to those nerve fibers because the axons cannot get there in time before things like scarring take place, per se. All right, enter blessed thistle, otherwise known as Nicus benedictus. Inside Nicus benedictus, through ethanol extract, is a component called Cnicin, Cnicin. And the interesting part about this Cnicin, it has very, very comparable effects to parthenolide, another common agent which is used to help repair nerve damage. But the interesting part about this, it is 84.7% bioavailable, meaning it can work orally. So you're out someplace, wherever it is, you need to repair or recover, you're on a football field, sport field, whatever, someone injures themselves, boom, this Nicin's available. Again, human trials did take place. I'm just giving you a scenario. And therefore, you can help speed the nerve recovery before functional deficits begin to occur that can make healing quite questionable. Again, a lot of words. Let's get right into the research. It'll elucidate the information far clearer, but then it'll add weight to what I say in the beginning. So hopefully that scenario helps. So let us begin as follows. New compound from blessed thistle, blessed thistle, promotes functional nerve regeneration. Blessed thistle, Nicus benedictus, is a plant in the family of Astraceae, and also grows in our climate. For centuries, it has been used as a medicinal herb and extract or tea to aid the digestive system. Please forgive me, a little long in the intro, so I'm going to speak kind of fast. Regeneration pathways of injured nerves in humans and animals with long axons are accordingly long. This often makes the healing process lengthen, even frequently irreversible, because the axons cannot reach the destination on time. An accelerated regeneration growth rate can therefore make a big difference here, ensuring that the fibers reach original destination on time before irreparable functional deficits can occur. The researchers demonstrated axon regeneration in animal models and human cells taken from retinae donated by patients. Administering a daily dose of Cnicin to mice or rats helped improve paralysis and neuropathy much more quickly. Compared to other compounds, Cnicin has one crucial advantage. It can be introduced into the bloodstream orally by mouth. It does not have to be given by injection, like parthenolide, which you may recognize from feverfew. The correct dose is very important here. There's a Goldilocks zone. As Cnicin only works within a specific therapeutic window. Ironically, it has a half-life of 12.7 minutes. To proceed, doses that are too low or too high are ineffective. This is why further clinical studies on humans are crucial. Highlights. I'm going to go to the full study and elucidate some of the information of why this seems so incredibly cool. To proceed, remarkably in contrast, the vehicle-treated controls, Cnicin-treated mice, showed the first measurable improvements in motor function as early as 4 days after injury. Treatment effects of Cnicin concerning the touch response were detectable 7 days after injury. Moreover, Cnicin was similarly effective in promoting motor and sensory recovery as previously reported as parthenolide. Again, feverfew. Not feverfew, but parthenolide. You recognize a component to that. At the same time, what they believe may help with migraines. At the same time, systemically, applied Cnicin significantly enhanced skin and muscle regeneration 10 days after nerve damage. I'll just say that. Sciatic nerve crush. Strikingly, oral application, it would follow up with that word. Oral application of Cnicin also accelerated functional recovery with the same efficacy as intravenous injection, parthenolide. While oral parthenolide doesn't work so well, had no effect due to its poor bioavailability. Again, this gives a major boost to blessed thistle. To proceed, want to show you this chart because I alluded to prior the Goldilocks zone, which is kind of interesting because it's a 28-day trial and 0.28 didn't work, 28 micrograms did not work per kilogram, but 2.8 did. So right there in the middle. So I want to elucidate that to you to show you basically that too much is not as good, too little not effective, but right about there was strongly effective more than anything else. Again, bioavailability, 84.7% of this particular ethanol extract that they utilized or formulated. And again, short half-life. To proceed, more. Animals have received daily doses of either vehicle, about 2 micrograms, or perthinolide, or 2 micrograms per kilogram of Cnicin. So again, that's what they did during the study itself. But again, the injection part right there, where they used 2.8. To proceed, while Cnicin possessed a therapeutic window, toxic effects did not appear far above therapeutic doses. We performed toxicity tests, quoting, in 6 rats which received daily doses, either 2 milligrams a kilogram, 1,000 times the therapeutic dose, or 4 milligrams a kilogram, 2,000 times the therapeutic dose of Cnicin intravenous for 14 consecutive days. These doses were well tolerated without any signs of toxicity or changes in body weight. Although that is comforting, again, too much reduces the effectiveness. So you want to make sure it's at a particular target level, at least close to this intravenous study, the one we looked at the bar chart ahead of time, not the oral, of 2.8. To proceed, in conclusion, the current study underscores the potential of Cnicin as a readily administered oral compound for augmented axonal regeneration. It demonstrates a substantial in vivo and in vitro impact across multiple species, including an effect on cultured primary human nerve cells, retinae, eye. I know, sounds morbid, but it works. And eye cells of all things, that's pretty cool. Even at remarkably low dosages. Consequently, Cnicin is a promising candidate for further drug development to treat nerve damage and promote regeneration. Otherwise, something to keep in your zombie survival kit. So again, you can see where they're heading with this. So imagine if something was like in a, to publish a bias, in some sort of med kit for individuals which are mountaineering, combatants, troops, soldiers, whatever. You're someplace in the ocean, nerve damage occurs, and your medical professional is there, caveat, and you can't obviously stop Noah's Hospital. Something very inexpensive, readily available, tried and true, blessed thistle, extract of Cnicin, or Cnicin extract of blessed thistle, can really, really, really be, without an understatement, a true lifesaver. Again, pretty cool information. I want to share that with you. Gratitude to the researchers. I am humbled you watch and look forward to what you and I both discover next week. Catch you next time. Bye.